Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. Today we are solving a problem. My name is Adil and today's vehicle is this Jaguar E Pace. The problem our client has was the fact that it didn't have an auto tailgate. So the tailgate basically had to be actually manually lifted. And yes, first world problem, I know. However, if you had it on a vehicle before, it is definitely a must. I use it all the time on my vehicle and this client was really missing it on their new vehicle. So we have upgraded this particular vehicle with exactly that, but this system is really cool. I'm going to go through everything in today's video, so stay tuned. So we've got the factory keys in my hand. We've got a couple of ways of now opening the boot. So I'm going to walk up to the vehicle, so that's the vehicle locked. I walk up, I unlock the vehicle and I single press on the button, and as you can see, it's now fully automated. The way we've actually done that is upgrading this part here. We've upgraded the actual struts itself and done a lot of the wiring work involved in getting this to this point. The other cool thing that we've added onto the vehicle is this little button here, which looks basically like it was there from factory. It is really, really nice. There's nothing on display. Everything looks really smart. I click that one button there and it closes automatically as well. And then I can lock the vehicle from the key. So really, really seamless integration. Obviously on the vehicle, which is actually quite surprising, is the fact that you've got a tailgate button actually on the key already. However, it didn't really do much because it didn't open automatically before. However, that's all changed. As soon as I press that button from my key, instantly opens again. The speed in which it opens is really nice, easy to use, as well as the fact you've obviously gained access now. You get one beep to tell you're at your maximum height, and then again to close it, you can either press the button on the key like I just did, and then it closes. So real seamless integration. You also have added in a button at the front of the vehicle down on the right hand side, which will pop up a little clip of that as well, and you press that button and you can also use it that way. So you've got a lot of ways now of opening the boot. It's all automatic, looks absolutely incredible, and you wouldn't know that we've been there at all. If you're interested in having this solution added onto your vehicle, make sure you get in touch with us. All our details is in the description below. All our work gets carried out from our workshops in Cambridge, and this, it can be done on a variety of different vehicles. So just inquire on our website, drop us a message and we'll come back to you with options that might be available for you and your vehicle to upgrade it to exactly how you're after it. So all the work gets done in our 11,000 square foot workshop facility here in Cambridge. So once again, thank you for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's upgrade, and if you're interested in having this added to your car, you guys know exactly what to do. I'll see you on the next one.